ice shrimp here. Let's see. I have to thing it around here. Usually you don't need a spoon. They have the little spoon in here, but I don't know this one. His mouth out today. Another one, I think another one, another brand, they have the little spoon here. I didn't know. Yeah, this one vanilla. I should have to put them in the refrigerator right away. Let it melt now. Yep. Vanilla, fresh cream and real vanilla. Here, nutrition facts. Yeah. Yeah, we have a go summer now. Almost. So ice cream is good for summer. Let's try it's all them today. The little one is not here. Yeah, he is at the ice cream. Look yummy. That's not how big a cup. So how many in here? 10 each. So I got 20 about $9. Okay, tax is the $10, so 50 cents each. I'm done. Okay, that's it. See you in this video. Bye.